In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not opening. If you're clicking into Yahoo Mail and it just won't load, don't worry, I'll walk you through a quick, reliable routine to get things working again. First, open your browser and head to yahoo.com. From there, try opening Mail as you normally would. If the page spins, shows a blank screen, or gives you an error that confirms the issue we're fixing, start with the simplest reset, refresh the page, use the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl+R on Windows, Command+R on a Mac, or tap the reload icon on mobile. A fresh request often clears temporary glitches and expired sessions that can block Yahoo Mail from loading. Next, check your internet connection. Try opening another well-known website to confirm your connection is active and stable. If other sites are also struggling, you may be dealing with a connectivity issue rather than a Yahoo problem. Make sure you're actually connected to the internet. Look for your Wi-Fi or data icon, toggle airplane mode off if it's enabled, or briefly disconnect and reconnect to your network. On a wired connection, verify that the cable is plugged in securely. If you're on public Wi-Fi, you may need to accept the network's terms on its sign-in page before anything loads. If your connection is fine, make sure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems that prevent modern web apps like Yahoo Mail from opening correctly. Updates also include security and performance fixes that help pages load faster and more reliably. If you're using Chrome and want clear guidance on updating, go to support.google.com. This is Google's official help center. Once you're there, use the right arrow at the top right to navigate through the relevant help sections until you find the instructions on updating your browser. Follow the on-screen guidance to ensure you're on the latest version, then return to yahoo.com and try opening Mail again. After you've refreshed the page, confirmed your internet connection, and updated your browser, go back to Yahoo and test Mail one more time. In most cases, these steps resolve loading issues quickly without needing anything more advanced. That's it. Simple, effective, and safe. If this routine helped, give it a try the next time a site won't open. The same approach works for many web apps. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Yahoo Mail loads perfectly now.